In 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
That sound marks the start of our 15-second autonomous period with robot follow those pre-programmed instructions. Robots are making their way across the field to that center line to try and pick up some notes to make it into that speaker. Those notes are going to be worth 5 points initially versus the 2 points that they're worth in the teleoperated period when they are unamplified. Over on the Red Alliance, we have 3843 going for some note pickups from the bottom of the ground. 554 is going for the same over on the Blue Alliance. Looks like in the middle of the field, we have 9996 shuttling some notes from their side of the field over so that their alliance partners can score them. They're playing some defense with that high blocker, trying to prevent those notes from being shot. 4931 is on their side of the field, trying to score one of those notes into the speaker, earning their alliance 2 points per note. 5554 is doing the same for their alliance, trying to rack up those points so both of those teams can work together to get as many as possible. Over on the Red Alliance, they are at their human player source station, gathering that note and making their way across the field as fast as they can to score those notes. 234 is at that Red Alliance amp station, trying to put their note into the amp so they can work their way towards the amplification bonus. It looks like there's still some defense being played, and 1741 shuttles some of those notes, shoots it across the field so that their alliance can work together on the other side of the field to make it into that speaker. 3843 attempts to shoot one note into the speaker, unfortunately just a little bit shy, but 234 backs them up with a successful shot. 234 has another back-to-back shot with the amplified speaker, which those notes are now earning 5 points each versus the regular 2 because it is in that amplification period. Right now we have just over 30 seconds left with a score of 86 for the Red Alliance and 15 for the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance is working hard to get as many notes as possible into that speaker, and the Blue Alliance is trying to play a little defense on that side of the field. That guitar riff marks the last 20 seconds of the match where teams are able to climb onto those chains on their stage and earn their lines. Some more points and even ranking points are possible. Looks like on the Blue Alliance, they're all trying to attempt to climb that stage. They have 2 seconds left. There are 2 robots on the blue side, 1 on the red side. That was a great match. Give a huge round of applause for Quals. All right, let's take a look at the results. Congratulations to the Red Alliance for winning qualification match 14 with a new high score of 101 points to 24 points for the Blue Alliance. They had 73 speaker points, which is pretty substantial compared to the 11 points for the Blue Alliance. This puts Red Alert into the 10th place.